Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to review PassThrough Ratcheting Wrench set from Bahco. Let's dig into that. The part number of this set is S530T. Blow molded box is really sturdy and robust. These typical orange blow molded boxes from Bahco are the best in the market, I believe. Nice and sturdy latches. Here you can see huge assortments of 12.6 points, inverted sockets, adapters and bits. On the top lid, diagram of assortments is attached with the glue and some instructional diagrams how to use different adapters and sockets. Let's start with the pass-through ratcheting wrench first. Typical Bahco style handle, Bahco logo on the orange part as well as on the shaft. Nice looking wrench with nice chrome finish workmanship. The grip on the handle is nice actually. 72 teeth design and it's smooth. I like the direction level style. It's flat and narrow profiled. Direction lever has two bumps for easy and non-slip operation for changing direction. Another feature in this is locking flex design with many angle positions. I like that. Flex locking mechanism is quite smooth and sturdy. Let's look into the sockets. These 12-point socket sizes are all the way from 10 to 24 mm, skipping only 20 and 23 mm. Impressive assortments. Socket seems nicely made. You just push them into the ring of wrench and now it's a pass-through ratchet. Really nice. And it is thin profile ratchet and will be very handy in tight areas. This is not real purpose of this ratchet. I show you briefly how this can be handy, especially when working on shock absorbers. You need to hold the shaft with the hex key, tight or untie the bolt. And this pass-through ratchet will be very handy in this kind of situation. If you don't want to use 12-point socket, then you have the option for 6-point sockets too. These are available from 8 to 17 mm and the 19 mm deep socket. For smaller sockets, you have to combine two sockets due to their size where it seats. Here you can see small socket has small diameter. So all the smaller size sockets needs to be combined together with 14 mm socket. Here is 14 mm socket and now I can put any of smaller size socket into it. Now I put 10 mm socket into 14 mm socket. It's now 10 mm wrench. Same goes with the inverted torques. One problem with this system is hard to remove. You will need something to pry the socket out, like a small screwdriver or pocket screwdriver. This is not all. You can convert this wrench into all three sizes of ratchets with these adapters. Isn't it cool? And these are low profile ratchets now. Look at the size difference with the regular style wheel ratchet. Pretty impressive. Removal and installing of adapter is very easy. Here is 3/8 adapter. And look the comparison with Hazard Flex head ratchet. This Bahco pass-through ratchet is much thinner. I think I'm gonna use these 3/8 adapters quite much. Quarter-inch adapter will be handy too for narrow spaces. Now these two adapters for quarter-inch and 5/16 bit adapter give more versatility. You can use bits in different sizes. Very impressive addition to this kit. The 5/16 inch bit adapter for bigger bit sizes. Not only bits, but you got here inverted Torx sockets too. Most common sizes are all the way from E8 to E22 are included. Let's try a socket. It seated well and now it's inverted Torx ratcheting wrench. Here you got a deep 19mm socket. Now the interesting part is you can use this 19mm deep socket and use any of sockets in this kit and make them deep socket. The 19mm deep socket is now 17mm socket. This is cool. As I mentioned earlier that you can use 14mm socket and make any small socket into deep socket. This is awesome feature. You can even make the 12-point socket into a deep socket too from this kit. Guys, I'm loving this small toolkit. This kit can give you more versatility into your tool arsenal. What's your thought about this kind of toolkit? Feel free to comment below. Okay guys, this is it with the review. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys like the video, consider to subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.